to bring excellence. I get a fight between the SOP guys and the excellence and innovation guys. Standard operating procedure है साहब, ऐसा ही होगा और कुछ नहीं होगा. And the excellence is something beyond SOPs. Let me tell you something very interesting. Let me switch on the camera for it, for the online guys as well, and then I'll invite Vimal sir. Okay, so I reached yesterday evening here around 7:30ish, and this is not a story, this is a real incident. And as per our email and request, we had a room allotted for us in the guest house, and I thought, yaar, और 2 room खाली हैं, I can have one more. So I requested the security, can I have another room? And as per SOP, he said, sir, एक बोला है. Perfectly good, right? SOP. Something that has been assigned is assigned. I said, request, एक और मिल सकता है क्या? He said, let me figure it out. So he did it, and in an hour's time, we had someone who arranged the entire room and brought it up. For me, it was satisfaction. For me, it was awesomeness. For me, it was care. For me, it was luxury. For me, it was convenience. For me, it was beyond what was being expected or what was being told. We had requested for a room, we got a room. But in the moment, I thought, can I have something more? And I got it. Now the question is this excellence, or this incident, if brought into a SOP, a standard operating process or a procedure, where a person or 2 people travel, we have a if or a when in the process, and we do this automatically, is excellence. So next time, the person doesn't have to initiate what he needs, but it becomes a part of our document, because from an experience I learned something and I created a process which automatically solves and makes it one step up. How long will it remain, I don't know, but another experience would create excellence plus, and excellence will always be a journey, not a destination. With that thought, let me invite Vimal sir to please.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Good morning, my friends.
Good morning, sir.
Sir, I am a very big fan of yours, because I remember some of your classes, and I especially remember one that you took in Bardwan, where you had 2 boards, my happiest day at Pinnacle and my saddest day at Pinnacle. And even I was amazed at the response that were there on that day. So, what is there inside our mind and heart? A lot of time we assume a lot of things, but the reality is quite different. And I still remember what was on the top of the list on the 2 boards, and I frequently refer to it. Very eye-opener. In fact, when you bring the question of excellence, there is a book by J.W. Marriott, the owner or the founder of the Marriott hotels. So there is an incident which is outside the SOP. So in one of the Marriott hotels, they found that one of the lady, she was very nervous, and she was almost like weeping. So the hotel people observed that. Obviously, they cannot intervene. It's a personal thing, but still somebody took the courage and asked her that you look so nervous and worried. What's wrong? So she said, I have an interview. I've come to this city to give an interview, and I'm very nervous about it. So what can the hotel do about it? Any idea? If you are the hotel manager what would you do for that lady?